Litigation financing is becoming more sophisticated. There are increasing opportunities for investments in litigation to spread out the benefits of that investment. In one recent case, a teacher's pension fund in California used litigation financing to turn a potential financial loss into an opportunity for gain. This case shows that litigation financing can be valuable for more than just the individual litigant who needs cash. This story starts with Volkswagen's falsification of emission testing results. When their deceptive conduct became known in September of 2015, Volkswagen stood to suffer enormous losses, both in legal claims and lost business. This was very bad news for its investors, including the California State Teachers Retirement Fund. This is the second largest pension fund in the United States, with about $190 billion in assets. They owned more than 300,000 shares of Volkswagen stock. Within days of the announcement of Volkswagen's fraud, the company's stock price fell by nearly 40%, and the fund had lost more than $20 million. The fund's chief counsel contacted one of the fund's legal advisors, who was an experienced class action attorney. The advisor suggested the fund could participate in a class action against Volkswagen that was being funded by a litigation finance company. By doing so, the pension fund could win a recovery that could offset its existing losses. It could pursue that recovery without putting any of its other assets at risk, because the litigation funding company was paying for legal expenses during the case. The advisor found a case that was about to be filed in Germany in a court that was close to Volkswagen's headquarters. It was being handled by Quinn Emanuel, a large U.S. law firm. It was funded by a London-based investment firm that specializes in funding lawsuits. That firm was looking for shareholders to join the case. In return for a share of any winnings, the litigation funder offered to cover all the costs of the action against Volkswagen. By taking this action, the pension fund put itself in a position to come out ahead regardless of how the Volkswagen emissions scandal turns out. If Volkswagen suffers devastating losses, it has a chance at a recovery in court. If the company recovers, the fund's shares will appreciate in value. Without litigation financing, the pension fund would not be able to enjoy this enviable position. If you need help with litigation funding, call us or email us today.